Good morning, my dear students. Today we shall do session number 5 of unit number 9. The name of the unit is electronic spreadsheet. In that unit, session number 5 is charts in Calc. For that, we have to open the LibreOffice Calc. Like this. It's taking little bit time. Now suppose this is our LibreOffice Calc, and here I am going to make one table that is having name, Hindi and English marks, and name. Suppose I am writing here Neelam, Kavita, Sonia, Manya, Preeti. And now I am going to write down the marks. Now, next topic is here, create a chart. Yes, my dear students, chart means what? It is a pictorial representation of your data. Suppose this is my data that is in the form of table, and now I want to represent this data in the form of pictures. So I use here charts, and how we can insert chart in LibreOffice Calc. First, select the range by which you make a chart. Click on insert. Here you will find one option that is chart. Click on chart. Yes, now you can see in the background of chart wizard there is a chart. By default it show represent our data in the form of column chart, but in column here in chart wizard, this is steps that you have to follow. Choose the chart type. These are the multiple types of charts, and these are the different looks for a particular chart. Suppose this is column chart. Now our data represent in the form of normal. If you want to represent data into the stacked form, click on it like this. You can see the visible changes here, and you want to show your data into percentage form, it will represent like this. But now you want to use another type of chart, that is bar chart. Again, multiple operations are here. Normal, it will show your data in this form. I am just moving here by which chart is clearly visible to you. And next is here this type, and next is here percentage, like this. If you want to change another type, that is your pie chart. This is normal, exploded, don't, and exploded don't chart. Area chart, suppose the same table you want to represent with the help of area chart, then you can represent like this, stacked and percentage. It's up to you in which way you want to represent your data. Next type of chart is here, line chart. If you want to use single dots, want to use the points, want to use lines only, it's up to you. Next type of chart is here, XY scatter chart. XY scatter chart also represent data in this form, like this. You can choose whatever you like. Next one is here, bubbles. As the name suggests, it will represent our data in the form of bubbles. Smaller value, size of bubble small. If value increases, size of bubbles increase according to the value. Next one is here, net chart. It will just look like your spider net. That's why it's called net chart. This is your net chart. And we also called it radar chart. Radar chart and net chart both are the same. Next one is here, stock chart. Means in this it will represent your data in the form of stocks, like this. You can choose any type. and then it will represent data in the form of stocks. Next type of chart is here, column and line. Column and line chart is a combination of both column chart and line chart. Here you can see this sky blue color line. This is part of your line chart, and these rectangular vertical bars, these are the part of your column chart. It is a combination of both. Suppose I want this, click on next, again click on next. Now if you want to show the legends means, my dear students, helping parts. Suppose Hindi and English, these are the legends. You want to set legend right hand side, left hand side, top, bottom. Here is the display positions for legends. Suppose I need left side. You can see legends appear here. Right side, again legends appear right side, top, legends appear at the top of the page. You can see here. And want to represent in bottom, it will show the legend in bottom. You can see here, bottom. First I have to finish, after that it will appear. Then click on finish and we set the legend in bottom. Right now legends are in bottom. This is your chart topic.